So there is a lot of buzz around AI. After the AI revolution, there are many ways how you can use AI within your daily workflows, and you can get the faster outputs and faster results. So in today's video, we are going to look at some of the best use cases for SEO industry, so you can use them and speed up the process and also get the best results much faster. So we are going to talk about the keyword research, how you can do the keyword research. You can create topical maps, you can extract the entities, you can do competitor analysis, and there are so many things. But we are going to talk about specifically which are the most important use cases for local SEOs. Let's go to my screen and I'll show you one by one. First use case is keyword research. How you can do that? So you need to identify the niche keywords first. And how you can do that? So let's say you have a client, just go to their GBP profile and you will get all these terms. Once you go to the GBP profile, just click on this performance tab and just scroll down. Now you will see all the list of keywords which you are getting interactions, the impressions. Make a list of all these keywords, just paste them here, and then identify hyperlocal keywords for your specific service areas and your niche. So how we can do using the AI? You just need to go to ChatGPT, search for scraper, and there are hundreds of scraper you will get from this GPT. These are the custom GPTs. I'll go with this one, scraper API. Generate all the outputs using the same. You can see here scraper API. So first thing is, let's say you want to do a keyword research. So you need to provide the list of cities where you want to create location pages and where do you want to get more visibility. Okay, so I provide a list of all these 20 cities. Then your next goal should be, you need to mention your main niche and the city. Again, ask this GPT to ignore these domains because these are the directory websites or these are the franchise websites. We don't need to get the data from franchise websites because they don't have enough content. They are just ranking because of the authority. So they don't have that much optimized content on their pages. So how we can extract or how we can do the keyword research properly? Just provide in which format you want the data. So now I'll get all the competitors data here. The next one is, now you need to provide the guidelines. So what you need H1, any CTs they are using, H2s, and I'm just giving him an example. What actually I need from it. I'll show you the output. The output should be in this form. So I categorized all the terms. We got all the keywords from our GPT we got, and then I organized them according to the locations. So there are different ways how I organize my own data. So I organize them according to the city wise first. So you can see here all the data divided into city sections. All these cities we are targeting and all these keywords which are hyper relevant to each city. Okay, so we don't need any pay tool. I never used href like in last couple of weeks, optimized custom GPTs. I'll show you one more, the GPT we have created. So if I take you to the GPT, I go to my GPTs, and then so far we have 3 GPTs. So I'll just go with this one. I'll click on this one. It asks me about list of services and list of cities. So I'm giving him the list of services and list of cities, and then you will see what type of data this GPT can bring for us. So we provided the name of cities, name of services, and the name of cities. Everything which are related to the competitors, it automatically go to the competitors, analyze every single thing, and give me the each and every possible keyword combination. Using this GPT, you can download the CSV file. So you don't need to in local SEO, the major problem right now is that if you use any tool which are the market leader, the SEMrush, the href, they don't even has the enough data for local SEOs. So we never conduct the proper keyword research. So if I click on this sheet, I'm just showing you how many number of keywords we got from this one. Almost more than 300-400 keywords only for city level. Now go to GPT again and look at here. Let me know if you are ready to level phase 2. Now he's asking me the data about neighborhood, landmarks and zip code. So basically there is 3 level. In the first level, he will give you keywords based on city level, then neighborhood level, then landmark level, then zip code level. And after in third level, he will ask you about the customer personas, which is the best thing. So before, like, we created this custom GPT like 2 weeks ago, we were spending almost 4 to 5 hours on a single website to do just keyword research. So now, using this custom GPT, everything can be done in less than 2 minutes. So this is how we are saving a lot of time. And now the data we are getting is more precise than any other tool in the market. And the second thing is, now I'm showing you the use case number 2, the the competitor audit. Okay, so just go to competitor audit. I just click on the scraper API. Now you can provide the link to this scraper, and it will do the whole research for you. So let's say I want you to, I just need to provide my website and my competitor websites. So I just search for any random keyword here. I just copy some of my competitor URLs. Let's say we just put to one, and I put one of my client website here. Now just wait for the output. This custom GPT will go through your computer websites and your own website, and it will give you the exact things you need to optimize on your website. And the result, whatever I got from this GPT, are like exact action steps. So best for me. So if you are also using the AI and you are not able to generate the best results, it's because of your own perspective. You just need to think like AI knows literally everything more than the tools you are using, right? So all these tools, they are not that much good for the local SEOs. So you can use my custom GPT if you really want to use my custom GPT. If you really want to use my custom GPT, just comment below custom GPT for keyword research, and I will share the link, and then you can start using it. It's completely free. Let's go to the screen again. So this GPT generate the whole outline for me, the action plans for me, and tell me exactly each steps I can go and use it. And now, according to this custom GPT, you can expand each level. You can ask him to create the exact outline for home page. You can ask him to develop blog strategy, then content strategy. It can do literally everything. So in this sheet, if I showed you, literally I use this GPT for literally everything. Look at my prompts here, and it gives me the whole data I actually need from it, right? All these data, and everything will be downloaded in the CSV version. So now we go to the next use case of it, to create topical maps. Just to create topical maps, you can use the same custom GPT, and you need to create a sheet like this. Okay, so your first goal should be to identify the main topics, so the main services your client is offering. So I write down the main services, and then for each service you need to dig deeper and identify the more subtopics. So as much data, like as many subtopics you have, your topical map would be that great. So I just create a sample example for all of you. So I just identify 5 to 7 subtopics for each one. Then if I showed you here, it's my like the entire sheet for the topical maps. So my main topic is water damage restoration, and here is my subtopic. So for each subtopic, now I need to get subtopic 3, and for each subtopic 3 I need to get subtopic 4. So this is how in-depth process we are using to create the content for local SEO clients, and this is mind-blowing. The result we are getting is like absolutely insane. We are literally not focusing on any kind of link building. We are just heavily focused on the on-page SEO. So you can do this same thing using the AI. Look at here, we literally get the data, and now we can also expand it as much as we want. The GPT will keep giving you the best results. So if I showed you here, and also we are okay, so if I showed you here, so I keep asking him to expand the results here. So it keep going, giving me the subtopic level 6, subtopic level 7, and also then I can provide him I can ask the data according to me. So you can look all the data here. The next use case, entity extraction. Just ask him to extract these entities. You just need to ask about these terms, and it will extract all of these from your competitors. Just wait for the output. So now as we request these terms, it will start giving us according to the competitors are using on their websites. So you can see the voice of people we have the industry terms. Now we have the semantic terms, and it keeps generating what we asked. So now we literally have every single thing, like best repair. It also suggests us some local terms which according to the competitors: furnace repair near me, duct cleaning for Richmond residents, emergency AC repair available for this particular town. And also now it also gives us the action plan too. So this is how you can speed up the entire process using the AI. And instead of using all these pay tools, you can get the best version of your. So instead of using the paid tools, you can get everything for completely free. So if you have any use case in your mind and you want me to cover it in our upcoming videos, please mention that in the comments, and I will go and create a separate video for that. So if you really like this video, please hit the subscribe button. It give me some motivation, and then please like this video if you really get some value from it. Bye bye. See you in the next video.